Hello, get a break. Welcome to our Break OST box race for the 2013-2014 Panini Playbook, box break number 84. Here's the last one for auction. Here's Edmonton. Starting on the box is NE190578-583. That's NE190578-583. Start with an Ice Kings for the Ducks of Corey Perry. It's number 79 out of 99. This is from 11-12. Crown Royal. We got a breakout of Tom Wilson for the Capitals, 101 out of 199. Got a base card for the Ducks of Ryan Getzlaf, 53 out of 249. Then finish off with a booklet for the Ducks of Emerson Edom, 91 out of 199. There we go. Thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.